Let me ask you a serious question. If you save 5 million naira in your bank today, what will it worth in the next 5 years? Okay, now let me ask you another question. If you take 5 million naira and purchase a land in a strategic location, what do you think it will worth in the next 5 years? Now, that difference right there is called land banking. In this video, I will explain what land banking really means, how it builds wealth, why many investors prefer it over traditional savings, and whether it is worth it or not. If you are serious about building long-term wealth, stay with me. So welcome back to my channel. I'm still my humble self, Rita Chimdema Okonkwo, a realtor with one of the most trusted real estate companies in Asaba, Medici Homes. Over here, I share real estate tips and insights to help you stand out when it comes to real estate and help you position for massive returns on investment. Now, let's dive into today's topic. First of all, what is land banking? Land banking simply means buying land in a developing and future growth areas and holding it for appreciation. You are not buying to build immediately, you are buying to hold strategically. Smart investors study expansion patterns, infrastructural projects, population growth, and urban movements. For example, as cities like Asaba expand, other nearby areas gradually increase in value. Land banking is positioning yourself before development peaks. It is patience plus location intelligence. Now, secondly, how does land banking grow wealth? Here is how wealth is created in land banking. Number one is appreciation. Land value increases due to infrastructure, road development, commercial activities, and population growth. Unlike cars or gadgets, land does not depreciate. Number two is leverage. Once your land appreciates, you can resell at profit, use it as collateral, subdivide and sell, or even build rental units later. Then number three is inflation protection. Money in the bank loses value over time due to inflation. Land often moves with or above inflation. If inflation rises 15 to 20%, lands in growth corridors may rise faster. That's how investors protect wealth. Then thirdly, land banking versus saving money in the bank. Let's compare. Saving money in the bank: safe liquidity, low interest, inflation reduces value, emotionally comfortable. Now, land banking requires research, less liquid short term, higher appreciation potential, and long-term wealth builder. Banks protect your money, land multiplies it. The mistake is not saving, the mistake is only saving. Wealthy people don't just store money, they convert money into appreciating assets. Now, lastly, when land banking is not smart. Land banking is not smart if the land title has issues, the location has no realistic development plan, you need short-term liquidity urgently, you buy based on hype instead of research. Land banking is strategic patience, not emotional buying. Documentation plus location equals to success. So, is land banking worth it? If you want long-term wealth growth, inflation protection, asset-backed security, and strategic positioning, then the answer is yes, but only when it's done right. If you are earning income right now and saving it in the bank, you may be protecting it but not growing it. The question is whether you will position early enough. If you want guidance on verified land opportunities for land banking, like our Shiloh Gardens estate that we are selling for just 1.5 million naira, we can lock it down with initial deposit of 750,000 50,000 naira and split your payment within 3 months with no interest. Then send me a DM or call me on the number showing on your screen. Let me help you get started in growing your wealth through land banking. Until I come your way again, I still remain my humble self, Rita Chimdinma Okonkwo. Don't forget that I'm always open for calls in regards to any confusion or questions in real estate investment. See you on the next one. Bye.